In this video, I'll be teaching you what you need to start a YouTube channel. Like some people find it difficult to start a YouTube channel. Some believe that they have to have a big phone, they have to have a mic, they mention so many things. And some people, they have the passion. They just have something that they want to do. They believe they can do it. They have the idea, but they are confused of how to start. So if you are such a person, then come close. This video is for you. Hello, you're welcome to my channel, Digital Dynamo. My name is Isaac, and in this video, I'll be teaching you what you need to start a YouTube channel. Like some people find it difficult to start a YouTube channel. Some believe that they have to have a big phone, they have to have a mic, they mention so many things. And some people, they have the passion. They just have something that they want to do. They believe they can do it. They have the idea, but they are confused of how to start. So if you are such a person, then come close. This video is for you. I'm going to be showing you the things that you need to start your own YouTube channel. One, you see that all the theories of having this and that is not for a beginner. Do you understand? There's always a starting point in everybody's life. There's always the beginning point. So you grow from the beginning point to the higher point. There is a time that you will not even look for money when money will come for you to purchase those things. You just have to start somewhere. Yes, that is why I am here. I want to encourage you to start, because sometimes the passion is there, the idea is there, but how to start is always difficult. Like this, my channel is a new channel I just opened this week. So, and this happens to be my first video. You have to put in your ideas. You know, if you don't have an idea, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate some video ideas for you. And ChatGPT will do that for you, give you an idea, on-demand video ideas that you can use to create your video. And you choose the one that you want to work with, and you can copy it based on your notepad and create videos from them, one after the other. Or you select the ones that you want to talk about, the ones you want to do your content, because one, you have to know the kind of content you'll be into. Okay, so you have to know it. The first thing on the list is you have to know the kind of content you want to be making. When it comes to this category, it is in a box, and in that box it contains two things. It's either your video is going to be face or faceless YouTube channel. Face YouTube channel is that you will be appearing like I am appearing, I'm talking to you. You can see me, okay? So this is a face YouTube channel. You can see me, I talk to you. And another one is faceless. Faceless is that you don't need to appear. Sometimes you only use your voice, or sometimes your voice may not even be needed. And you are creating the kind of videos that you want to create. You are passing the kind of information that you want to pass. So if you want to adopt that technique, either the face or faceless YouTube channel, you have to decide. And when you have gotten that, now what are the things that you need? You need a phone or a recording device. Whether you have a camera or you have a smartphone, it has to be something that can record you. It may not be an expensive camera, may not be an expensive phone, but it has to be something that can record, irrespective of the quality. Just that. What did I use? This is Redmi 13C that I am using to record this video. To research on the information about Redmi 13C, you will see the kind of phone it is. So That is what I am using to do this recording. And after the recording, when you start and you get, you keep putting in the work, the result will come. So don't bother about the quality of the video for now, okay? And after that, you have gotten your phone. As I said, you need a topic, so you get your topic, and some you may need to write them down if you are the type that you can't memorize things, okay? We don't know what to talk about. Some of us can just come in and just say what is in our head without writing it down. So some people may not have that grace. So you have to write it down and come to your camera, put it on. Another thing, definitely you need a tripod. You cannot do without a tripod. You can locally make it. You can also buy it. So if you cannot buy it, there is a way that you can locally make your own tripod for you to use, because your phone has to be on a steady place when you are talking, when you are showing. That is for face YouTube channel, okay? Yeah, that you are going to be appearing, okay, like I am doing now. So you need something to keep your camera, something to keep your phone, and set it up and it focus on you and do your stuff. So that is it. You need a tripod. And another thing is not necessary though, but if you have money, you have a mic. But as I'm talking to you now, I don't use a mic, because there is what I do. As I'm talking, the environment is noisy, because in my neighborhood, people live around. I don't have a mic, but I will edit this video after this and you will not hear this noise. I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your video and remove all the noises, and people will listen to it and they will think that you use a high quality mic. Meanwhile, they don't even have it. So I will show you in our next video how I use to edit my voice to make it quality for free. There's a site for it which I will reveal to you. So another thing on the list is that you need to know one or two software, how to use it, editing software. You need to have the knowledge of one or two editing software, because definitely as a starter, you may not have the money to be paying people to edit for you. You may not have the money to finance that. So what you need to do is that you have to learn. What I am conversant with for now is CapCut and InShot. If you know how to use those two apps, then you are good to go. So it is a must that you know how to edit your video. So learn video editing, because you really need it. After you know how to edit, you also need to know how YouTube works. Okay, read YouTube rules and regulations, what they want you to do as a creator, or what you should not do, because you don't want to venture into an environment that you don't know the rules and regulations, and you go and fumble, and when you come out and you feel that you are regretting a whole thing because you did not know what they needed from you. So you have to know the rules and the regulation. Then after you have done that, you can now open your account. What you need is that you need a Gmail. Gmail can be signed up for free. I will do a video on a step-by-step process on how you can open a Gmail account if you don't know. So that is why you need to subscribe to this channel, because there are a lot of things that I'll be showing you from what I have gathered so far. I will be giving everything out for free. I don't want this video to be long, so I'll try to be fast. So another thing that you need, after you have created your Gmail, you now create a YouTube account. From that, I will do a video to show you the processes, the steps that you need to take to create your YouTube channel. So I'll do a video, follow this channel, and you'll see it one day. Okay, so after you have created the YouTube channel, one thing that you must have a name. Okay, you must know how to optimize your channel very well. So if you cannot do it by yourself, you can pay somebody to do that one for you. Okay, so after you have optimized it, you have to know how to create a YouTube banner, a YouTube thumbnail, everything that you need about your YouTube. You have to brand it. Okay, so you also learn in that video. Also, you have to know how to use graphic designing apps like Canva and the rest of them. I personally conversant with Canva, so I recommend Canva. They are not paying for this promo. I'm just recommending them because they are good. Okay, I've been using it for years now, and it's really worked for me. It really helped me in my content creation. That is why I recommend them. So you have to know how to use Canva. I will teach you how to use it. Okay, so I will teach you how to get your Canva account and how to get started with Canva. So just stay by it. And all these things I'm talking about, you can do it with your phone. You don't really need a laptop, because sometimes what makes some people to realize, say, okay, I can't afford a laptop now. Okay, so let me wait till when I can afford a laptop. That's when I'm going to start my content creation journey. The more you wait, the more in the things that you're supposed to get, the information you're supposed to release will relay. At the same time, waits for nobody. It gets to a time that when you're supposed to be growing, you are still not started. You have to man up. Another thing that you need is to believe in yourself. Sometimes you may open a YouTube channel and you post the video, you have 1 like, 2 views, and the rest, you are at most 200 views in 1 month, in 3 months. Don't be discouraged. There's a video that you will do. One video, will compensate you for all the years of your labor. So you have to keep on believing in yourself. Look inward, know what propel you. Okay, if it is money, if it is passion, whatever, something brought you to do content on YouTube. So let that thing be the force that is pushing you. Okay, if you can do this, I bet your channel will be the next big thing that people will be talking about, people will be comparing. Okay, that is what I wanted to share with you. And as time goes on, we'll be learning a lot together. So once again, my name is Isaac, and this channel is called Digital Dynamics. I'll be teaching you so many things, like any digital skill that you want to learn, video editing, whatever, how to create content, all those things. I will be releasing them one after the other. That is why I welcome you to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and also save it. Alright, turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you'll be the first to see it. We are the Digital Dynamo, and I believe that the sky will only be our starting point. So let us start and grow together. Kill that fear and stand up. Put on the courage, and you will be celebrating your new channel very soon. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another video. Bye for now.